Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy A27. The edge panels is basically this sidebar shown on the screen that you can slide towards the center in order to open it. And I'll show you how to use it, but first let's see how to turn it on if you don't have it enabled, and also how to customize it. So let's go to the settings, then display. Now scroll down until you find edge panels, and then you will be able to turn it on. You can now select which panels to display. In my case, I have apps and weather. So if I slide this sidebar, hold on, I'll minimize the brightness a little bit. You can see it is slightly, ever so slightly visible on the screen right here. If I slide it towards the center, I can now open it, and I can slide to switch to the other panel because I have two, right? I can customize it by clicking on edit here and add more apps to the apps panel. Then I can also change a few more things. I can customize the handle. I can change its position to right or left side of the screen. I can change the color to make it more visible. For example, let's set it to red, and I'll minimize the transparency so it's even more visible. I can make it larger, and I can also make it thicker. So now it's pretty much visible, and from now I can also change its position, like the height. From now on, whenever I open it, I can use it. So let me demonstrate. When I slide it towards the center, I can just click on an app to open it, but I can also drag the app to the bottom of the screen to open it on the bottom of the screen. Then on the top of my screen, I can open another app that I want to use in split screen mode. And as you can see, I can resize it. I can use both of them. I can swap their places and stuff like that. Let's go back now. One more thing that you can do is drag the app, of course, up to put it on top, or to the middle to open it in this pop-up view. From now on, I can resize the app. I can even minimize it, so it's just floating icon. When I click on it, it's back on. I can click here to put it in split screen to minimize it, to maximize it, or to close it. And I can move it around. Now, as you can see, I can still use my phone, whatever is in the back, but I can also use this app. And it's especially useful, I think, for calculator. I don't have a calculator here, but I can click on these 9 dots, and then it opens all apps on my phone. I can now drag the calculator, open it in pop-up view, make it small, put it somewhere, and as I'm doing something, I can start calculating stuff. So I think it's pretty useful. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.